two-handed hanging isolation is, well, I like doing it. It feels sort of magical, like holding a bubble in the air and watching it float. And I get asked lots of questions about this move, so I thought it's time to make a tutorial. And it's a move when I'm doing it, I'm totally in that concentration focus, which is why it's so nice. It's sort of like a little meditation. But I'm not quite sure whether I can do it and explain it at the same time. But I'm about to find out. So, if I explain this, my right arm is going to hold the hoop at the bottom like that, just like I was going to do an ordinary isolation. But then I stand to the side, my arm is still on the body side of the hoop. But as I take it round, this grip change has got to go from there, and sort of, I'm going to balance with this hand, and roll itself round to there. So it goes from there and rolls itself round to there, so that it can go down, 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 all the way round to there, till we get back to this bit where we've got another little awkward grip roll. So from here, we've got to make it go to there, which is a very strange one, from there to there, and that looks like that from the side you're on. So from there to there, and then you can push it again, and it brings you back to where you started. So there's our starting point, where it rolled over to there and down, and then it rolls around again to this awkward, rather twisted with your wrist in a funny position, so it can go over again and back to the starting position. So that's thinking about how the hand grip changes. We also think about what our arm's doing while all this is happening. At the moment, my arm is behind the hoop. As it rolls over, it's going to be in front of the hoop, and then it's going to be behind the hoop, in front of the hoop, behind, and in front. So I'll just show it from this side as well, just in case it helps. So here we are, we're going over, swapping sides. Just realise that depending on how you perceive this, your behind and in front might feel different. But as long as you remember your swapping sides, as you roll over, you'll be fine. And this move does take practice and concentration. This is a 30-inch hoop. I've done it with smaller hoops. Actually, it's easier with smaller hoops. I've also gone up as far as 34. After that, I think my arm probably isn't long enough to be able to control it. So you might have to play around with the size that feels better for you. Another thing that just helps while you're doing it is breathing. You need to take a deep breath just to steady yourself and make a focus for it. It is like a form of meditation. That's why isolations are so gorgeous, really. Anyway, good luck with it, keep practicing, and if you want a quick fix while you're doing that, there is a two-handed hanging isolation that looks like this. So it's a lot easier to learn, and I will put a link to a tutorial for that one, just so you can have a nice other one to play with. So have lots of fun with isolations. I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Bye.